How to change a card on Shein app. Hey everybody, welcome back to official help desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can change your card on your Shein app account. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your Shein application from your device and make sure that you are logged into your Shein account. In order to change your card, let's buy a product first. Choose any product that you would like to purchase. Here tap on Add to Cart, then select the product and tap on to Checkout. Under Order Confirmation, you will see Payment Methods. Under Payment Method, choose the card that you would like to change. For instance, I'm choosing credit/debit card. Once done, tap on Place Order. Here you will be required to enter a new card, your number, your expiration date, and your CVV. Once you have done that, tap on the option that says Remember this card for future use. Then tap on Confirm. Now every time you place an order, this card will be used as your payment method. Just like so, this is how you can change your card to your Shein app account. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.